What are y'all doing, girls? You want a little plate? Okay, I think we have another little plate that you can have. So what are y'all doing? Are you having a tea party?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What tea? Yay.
Preston, can you get me that little plate over there? A little plate.
My little plate.
Ooh, and hand that one to Elise, please. Preston is your waiter. You're going to give her a big plate? Okay, give her a big plate. I know, like it's so exasperating. Ah, look at, and Preston's helping y'all out. Yay. Well, baby, I don't think he's getting paid for this, so. Preston.
No more tea party for you. No more tea party for you. It's more tea party.
Aww. I think you hurt his feelings, Elise.
Give me the tea.
You know who else would like to have a tea party? Look.
Mommy.
All right, she wants to have a tea party.
No.
No, Mrs. Potato Head wants to have a tea party.
No. Mrs. Potato. Oh no. Mommy, look at Preston did.
I see what Preston did.
Preston did the money Mrs. Potato Head.
Preston.
Don't make me mad.
Who's all on your train track? Show me. Thomas the Train and who else? What are you saying?
Belle.
Belle. Oh, I'm sorry. So Brave Belle and who else? Who else did you get? Who's that? Who's that? Say Harvey. Harvey. And Coach. Ooh, make them go, baby. Hurry. Brave is gonna. Ooh, look at him go.
Where's my spaceship? Where's my spaceship?
Your spaceship? Oh, you want to show everybody your spaceship? Elise had it last, baby. We'll have to find it. There's your buzz. All right, say bye-bye. Preston, say bye. No. Oh, he wanted to show everybody his spaceship. I'll do another video of that, babe. Girls. Oh, slow down on that tea, girl. All right, y'all say bye.
Bye.
Molly, you want to say bye?